So I was thinking of a new video idea and I got the idea. So let's go, my product. So today I will show you how to draw characters like me. So first we need good lighting to draw better.
Have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder. Have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me.
Then I take my sketchbook and a phone. I go to Instagram and see some crazy people wearing crazy outfits. I also look up to things like airpods, bags and things that I can put into my character. And then when I am inspired, I take my pencil and eraser. By the way, these are the 4 tools I use, that are sketchbook, phone, pencil and the eraser. It's time to start sketching. So I have already drawn the character without details and now I will be refining the sketch. While refining the sketch, add the folds, patterns to the cloth. So the sketch is done and it's time for inking. So first I start with the 0.1 Fineliner.
It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip, drip, drip. Pull up in the
While drawing with this fineliner, go really slow and steady.
catch a body, you might just get hit. But lately been all
I use this Sakura fineliner for extremely fine details.
you got clout, but you don't got the drip. You get money, that's some type of myth. I can blind you, bitch, look at the wrist.
So as may you already know that I use the F fineliner for the ultra sexy lines.
Tryna get out my body and shit. Fuck around and start bodying shit. Remember nights we was starving and shit. You my brother, I got you, that's it. We can never fall out by the bitch.
Wait. Cut your nails in order to get the sexier results. So let's get rid of these things. Oh, we got our nail cutter. So let's cut our nails.
Still can trap any weather I'm in. Throw me working.
Nail cutting is done. Let's start inking again.
Throw me extra, you know we gon' win. Getting money, I've been
By
doing
the way, don't forget to shake the fineliner before using it.
She wanna catch all of the drip, drip, drip.
I use my sexy crocodile eraser to get rid of the sketchy lines. Inking done, enjoy the reveal. So the drawing is done and it's time to spray paint. So I am using all the markers with some pencil colors. So let's start coloring.
I know why they ain't know me, so I switch spots. Never running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guac. I hit the jackpot.
While coloring, remember, first add the light base colors and then add the shades with the darker colors. And blend them with the light color again.
Hold the wrist. had to get the bag. Ice on my wrist.
Take your time while coloring and enjoy the process.
I gotta thank God for all the shit that I got, I never had. Now that I'm in it, I got a ball. Roll to the wrist, and downs I froze. She wanna fuck, vamonos. Taking it down, dominoes. Then kick it out, adios. Stacking the bread, loud the door. Hold the wrist though. Don't know weather switch.
I am feeling a bit tired, so let's drink some paint water.
I can't let these niggas miss us. Talking crazy, think you might get stitched up. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch spots. Never running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna for me, cause she know
I feel the power. Time to color the fine details.
I'm on big rocks, on my wristwatch. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch spots. Never running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop.
Hold up, weed in the whip got rolled up, 32 G's in the ziplock. Hold up, now I'm talking shit. Saw me walk to the whip, every night get lit. Me and Uno for the hit.
Driven to deep left field and gone.
Bada boom, bada bing, bout cash, bout bling. Go ahead, make it ring, 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 ring. Told the thought he bring a thing, 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 thing. Whole squad need chains and rings, loud smoke, some Asian things. Yeah.
So in this piece I am adding voice crack gang all over the character. And I am finally done with this. So enjoy the reveal.